Hey guys, my name is Noor Sanja. So I had assignment from advanced speaking class. Is I have to make a comment video for performance. Yeah, my friend performance 15, 16, 18, and 19. Yeah, I have watched their performance yesterday, and I wrote the comment in my phone. You can see. So I will read it for my assignment. Wait, yeah. First is from performance 15 from four students that performed yesterday. One of them had a bad network, so I couldn't hear her voice clearly, and it is from the presenter. Actually, her presentation is very good. The information that include on her information is good, but when they when she is present that the her presentation yesterday, her voice is like slow motion sometimes in few seconds because of bad network. Yeah, just it for performance 15. Next to the performance 16, there are also one problem. The MC. Yesterday the MC always look at the text, so he didn't see the audience. So I think the MC shouldn't also look at the audience sometimes, not always see the text. Okay, for performance 18, everyone do their job as well as good. Just the moderator need to have a preparation before because it, the moderator seems like he didn't have any preparation. Next is for performance 19. Yeah, same like performance 15. One of them have a bad network and it is from the speech. The voice is slow motion for a while. And for another member is clear enough. It's good. The voice and pronoun is so far so good. Give plus for them.
And I've been chillin', watching the
Sorry.
ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our
Yeah,
growlings
maybe
when
just for me,
people change, but
I have
not us.
give up
And we just
comment
chillin', kicking it,
for
kissed by the
each
sun. Could
performance.
be soaked to the skin in
So
the mall soon.
for
I know
Dini,
she got the good
yeah,
vibes
this
when
video.
seasons change, but
Yeah,
we're the
this all from me.
same.
Assalamualaikum
Even if my
warahmatullahi
joke's done
wabarakatuh.
funny, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny,